clean fruit to eat. So I grow cucumbers, an easy-to-prepare dish, helps digestion, weight loss, and beautifies the family. To help the seeds grow healthy when planted, I will use a small amount of honey mixed with water to soak the cucumber seeds before sowing. Honey is very good for plants. In addition to providing nutrition, it also has a very good effect in preventing pests and diseases without being toxic. After 2 hours, prepare a suitable nursery pot, put soil in the pot, sow cucumber seeds, cover with a layer of soil, spray water, and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Cucumber planter. I made 3 used planters, just punched drainage holes and created an automatic watering system for cucumbers. We can use a 500 ml plastic bottle to make a water tank. Just cut apart and use a wet towel to connect it, and you have a very good self-watering system. Cucumber is a short-term plant, so when planted, it needs a certain amount of nutrients from the beginning to help the plant grow. Therefore, when preparing the soil, I use vermicompost and rice husk mixed into the soil for planting. I always choose environmentally friendly fertilizers and minerals for plant nutrition. Rice husks retain nutrients for a long time and prevent erosion, while vermicompost has high antibacterial properties and good metabolism. This watering method is simple, right? It retains moisture well, is easy to do, and doesn't erode plant roots. After the cucumbers take root, to provide nutrients for the plant, I use 7-color organic fertilizer mixed with water to water the plant. Seven-color fertilizer is a liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish, very nutritious, harmless to humans, and easily absorbed by plants. During this stage, I will add soil to the plant to help the roots grow and metabolize, and don't forget to add water to the bottle. After only 10 days of planting, cucumbers need a trellis to climb, so after taking care of them, we will make a trellis. Cucumbers have flowered. At this time, the plant needs nutrients to grow, flower, and bear fruit. Therefore, we often have to take special care of them. Because each eye of the tree is a flower, to get the best fruit, I use male flowers to pollinate female flowers, and add worm castings to the tree. Just take advantage of discarded materials and take care of them properly. After nearly 2 months, we will have a cucumber trellis full of fruit. Now we can enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.